Hey fellow educators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your teaching career by looking at professional growth through conferences and workshops. Education conferences and workshops offer a world of opportunities for your professional development. Whether you're a seasoned teacher or just starting out, these events can be a game changer. So what are the benefits? First and foremost, conferences are a hub of networking opportunities. You get to connect with fellow educators, exchange ideas, and build valuable professional relationships that can last a lifetime. Secondly, you'll also be exposed to a plethora of new ideas, teaching strategies, and innovations in education. It's like a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you to explore. Conferences will also keep you updated with the latest trends, research, and educational policies, ensuring that you're always at the forefront of your field. Attending these events can reignite your passion for teaching. It's a reminder of why you chose this noble profession in the first place. Now that we've highlighted the benefits, let's talk about how to make the most of your conference or workshop experience. First, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to improve a specific teaching skill or gain insights into a particular area of education? Plan your schedule wisely. Most conferences offer a variety of sessions, so make sure you attend those that align with your goals. Ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with speakers and fellow attendees. Don't forget to network. Exchange contact information, connect on social media, and follow up with your new contacts after the event. After the conference, take time to reflect on what you've learned and how you can implement these ideas in your classroom. And there you have it, educators. Attending conferences and workshops can be a transformative experience for your professional growth. So, keep an eye out on our calendar for upcoming events in your area or online. If you've attended any conferences or workshops recently, share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on our future videos on professional development and all things education.